Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to block someone on Gmail. So firstly, open Gmail application on your device and then open the email that was sent to you and you want to block this user. So you see, this is the email, and now we need to press those three dots next to the sender, and here you can see block eBay function. So that's how you can block someone on Gmail. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.